Hello fellow traders, Paul Lemmo, Big Kahuna Trading Club, and got a pretty fast stock here. This is DRUG. Company is Bright Minds BioSciences Inc. And cycle wise, we have a pretty good setup on it. It's actually been acting pretty good the last couple of days despite a pretty weak market last few days, up and down, and a lot of volatility. But the this particular cycle setup on it, let me just break down the cup cycles on it. We basically have a TM2 was a primary cycle. We had a shorter one than that before, but this is a primary cycle, a 3.5 month here. And we had a TM3 5 to 7 months cycle here. Price squeeze is not in yet because you have the violation on the TM3 cycle of the TM2 cycle. And so we get up here, we have a TM5 cycle. It's a 12 to 15 month cycle. And the pullback off of that more than likely is going to hold because that's pretty low in the cup right there. And we have a $50 PPP right below here. So, you know, if you want to scale into it, you can base it on breakout of a 5-day high, 10-day high, and 25-day high on 3 parts. So if we get a breakout above here, you're going to have 2 parts in. So breakout, that'll be a breakout of a 5-day high and a 10-day high on first part of the buy, and then probably up here to get your 25-day high. Probably be averaging about right there if that in fact works. So, you know, look at the BMI off the cup floor. That was about 200% right there. It's a huge run up just off the cup floor. I'm not sure what's driving this stock. Probably some really good drug news, but you don't see cups like this very often when you have that huge of a gain right there. And then you get out to the TM5 cycle and you're real close to that original pivot on it. So this looks real good. Let's look at the targets based on the breakout from the cup floor. We have looks to be about a 3.5 month. Let's see here. 3.5 month plus TM3 dash U. Do a parallel line there. And then X is going to be around 115 or so. If you're in right here, it's going to be close to double. If you hit that X channel, and then you're going to have the 2X channel, probably, let's look at that, probably about 140 or so, and then the next one probably 180 or so. So there's a lot of cycle targets on this, especially if it continues acting well here and we get the breakout of the pullback from that TM5 set. So let's look at the stock rating on it. Okay, stock rating on drug. Again, this is a TM5 cycle trade, 75 BMI, huge BMI in the original breakout. Got a C risk profile, and the rating is a C-86. So it's got very high volatility, and you know the volatility, it's going to drive the score down quite a bit. So can make you a lot of money, but can also sting you pretty hard. So you can't load up in this type of play. So the current market rating is A-, and you can find out more information about that at bigkahunaTradingClub.club/market-rating. Again, pretty good looking high volatility trade right here. This is this is drug, DRUG, Bright Minds BioSciences Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.